Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about JKSSB recruitment for 2021. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board, JKSSB. The post names are Driver Technical Officer, Research Assistant, Driver Grade 2, Junior Assistant, Junior Stenographer, Servicing Operator, Workshop Attendant, Assistant Mechanic, Fitter, Legal Assistant, Junior Legal Assistant Librarian, Reader, Junior Legal Assistant, Personal Assistant, Research Assistant, Sub-Editor, Urdu Stenographer, Urdu Typist, etc. So here are the list of the posts which are mentioned here on the screen. You can check them out. And then the total number of vacancies are 580 as mentioned here. The starting date is on 31st of December 2020. The closing date is on 20th of January 2021. The application mode will be online. The job location will be in Jammu and Kashmir. The official site, this is the official site as mentioned here on the screen. You can check out the official site if you need more information. Further, the education requirement is as follows. For the post, the education requirement differs. For technical officer, degree in civil or mechanical or electrical or electronics and communication, renewable energy or computer engineering stream. For research assistant, for first class master's degree in any of Bachelor of Science, and then mathematics, statistics or first class master's degree in engineering from any recognized university. Then for driver grade 2, minimum matrix and 10+2 having valid HGV or PSP driving license. Then for junior engineering civil, 3 years diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institute or Indian Institute degree in civil engineering or AMIE section, A and B India. Then for junior engineering mechanical, 3 years of diploma in mechanical engineering from government recognized institute, Indian University degree in mechanical engineering or AMIE section, A and B India. Furthermore, for the post of draftsman, the requirement is 2 years of draftsman training course, certificate or diploma civil engineering from government recognized institute. Then for work supervisor, matrix pass or its equivalent from any recognized board or university and ITI certificate in building construction or carpentry trade. For junior stenographer, Kashmir division, graduation from any recognized university having a minimum speed of 65 and 35 words per minute in shorthand and typewriting respectively. And the second one is 6 months of diploma or certificate course in computer application from a recognized institute. Then for junior stenographer division of Jammu, graduation from any recognized university having a minimum speed of 65 and 35 words per minute in shorthand and typewriting respectively. And the second one is 6 months of diploma or certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute. Furthermore, for the post of junior assistant UT, graduation from any recognized university with the knowledge of typewriting having not less than 35 words per minute, 6 months of diploma certificate course in computer applications from a recognized university by the government. For junior assistant division of Kashmir, graduation from any recognized university with the knowledge of typewriting and which is having not less than 35 words per minute, 6 months of diploma or certificate course in computer applications from an institute recognized by the government. It's the same for junior assistant division Jammu, and it is graduation from any recognized university with the knowledge of typewriting having not less than 35 words per limit, also carrying 6 months of diploma certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute or the government. The post for foreman grade 1, 3-year diploma in mechanical engineering from any recognized institute. For junior mechanic, 10th pass equivalent with ITI trained in mechanical trade from government recognized institute. For servicing operator, 10th pass or equivalent in ITI trained mechanical trade from the government recognized institute. Workshop attendant, the qualification requirement is 10th pass or its equivalent. For assistant mechanic, 10th pass or equivalent with ITI trained in mechanical trade. Then for legal assistant, it's bachelor's degree in law. For junior legal assistant, bachelor's degree in law from a University of India. Legal assistant, bachelor's degree in law again. Then for librarian, Bachelor of Library Sciences with a recognized university. For a reader, a bachelor's degree in law from a university established by law in India having 2 years of actual practice at bar. For junior legal assistant, the bachelor's degree in law and the university established by the law in India. Further, for the post of a personal assistant is the same, which is the graduate from any recognized university having the knowledge of typing for speed of 65 and 35 words per minute in shorthand and typewriting respectively. For junior research assistant, it's a bachelor's degree in law. Then for sub-editor, graduate from any recognized university with Urdu as one of their subjects in graduation and experience in calligraphy with diploma in Urdu software in Page. For Urdu stenographer, the requirement is graduate from any recognized university with a speed of 60 words per minute in Urdu shorthand and 30 words per minute in typing on the computer keyboard of Urdu software. Then for the junior assistant, a graduate from any recognized university with a knowledge of typewriting having not less than 35 words per minute or 6-month certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute. For computer cum junior assistant, graduate from any recognized university with knowledge of typewriting having not less than 35 words per minute and carrying a 6-month certificate course in computer application from a recognized institute. Further, the post of deputy superintendent, the qualification requirement is graduate from any recognized university with 6 months of certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute. For junior assistant, the requirement is graduate from any recognized university with the knowledge of typewriting having not less than 35 words per minute in typewriting on keyboard, 6 months of certificate course in computer application from recognized institute. For driver, the minimum qualification requirement is a minimum matrix and a maximum of 12th having valid HGF or PSV driving license. For machine man, the education qualification requirement is matrix with diploma in printing technology from a recognized institute. And then furthermore, for junior electrician, matrix with ITI in respective trade. Assistant mechanic, matrix with ITI in respective trade again. Then for copy holder English, graduate with any recognized university. Copy holder is the same. For junior assistant, you have to have graduate from any university with the knowledge of type having not less than 35 words per minute in typewriting on keyboard, 6 months of certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute. Then for printing down operator, diploma in printing technology from recognized institute. Copy holder, graduate from any recognized university. This is the same for proofreader and copy holder as well. But for junior assistant, it is having been a graduate along with a typewriter with not less than 35 words per minute, also with a certified course in computer application from a recognized institute. Now the pay scale differs for each of the posts, which is for the post of a driver, the salary level is 2. For technical officer, it is level 7, which starts from 44,900. For research assistant, it starts at 42,300, which comes under level 6G. So you can check out all the different posts which are mentioned here and the level of salary or the pay scale which is going to be mentioned here and the starting range of the pay, which starts around 35,400 and it's ranging to 1,12,400. Then further, these are the rest of the posts which are junior stenographer under the division of Jammu, comes under level 6B starting with 35,600. For junior assistant division of Jammu, again it's starting from level 4. For junior assistant division of Kashmir, having a level 4 pay scale with 25,500. For foreman grade 1 mechanical, it is level 6D with 35,800. For junior mechanic, it is level 4. For servicing operator, it is level 4 again. For workshop attendant, it is level SL1 starting from 14,800 accordingly. Then for the post of legal assistant, it is level 6E, 35,900. For reader, it's the same level 6E with 35,900. For the rest of the posts, the levels are like level 6 and the pay scale is going to be starting from 35,000. Then for the rest of the posts, which is for Urdu stenographer, it is level 6B starting again from 35,600. For computer junior assistant, it is level 4, which is 25,500. For data entry operator, it is level 4 again. For deputy superintendent, then it is level 6E. For junior assistant, it is level 4 starting with 25,500. For driver, it is level 2 starting from 19,900. For machine man, it is level 6. Junior electrician level 2. For copy holder level 2, for copy holder Urdu, it is level 2 again, ranging between 19,000 to 35,000 accordingly. Then for printing down operator, it is level 6D starting from 35,800. For copy holder level 2, for proofreader level 2 again. For copy holder level 2, 19,900. Junior assistant level 4, 25,500 as their pay. Then the age limit is as follows. For the category of ON, the age limit is 40. For SC, it is 43. ST, 43 again. RBA, it is 43. ALC or IB, it is 43. EWS, 43. PSP, 43. OSC, 43. Physically challenged people, 42, ex-servicemen 48, government service or contractual employment, it is 40. And here are the dates whom to be born before and after. So accordingly, you can check out for under the category that you belong to. Then the selection process is as follows. There will be a written test, skill test, interview, these 3 rounds through which JKSSB officials are going to hire their applicants. Then further, this is the link of how to apply. Whoever want to apply, you can check out the description box below and you can have the direct access of the link of how to apply. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place all your doubts and your questions in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.